What's up, YouTube? YouTube, this is Roscoe Dash, baby. Hey, check it out, man. I'm starting my channel and everything. Now I'm going to be on the Mopar N. I was a Harley rider. I want y'all to take this journey with me. I purchased a second gen 2012 Dodge Charger RT. That's just where I'm starting out at. RT boys, let's go. So I bought this car. Nice car, clean car, runs good. Had issues, still got a little bit of issues, things to fix, but I want y'all to take this journey with me from day one forward. All right, so I've been watching a lot of videos before I got into my RT. I was trying to figure out what I want to get, where I want to start at. This is where it was at. Um, it's a lot of things, so y'all gonna be with me from every step. Let's do this. Now, without further ado, first thing first, um, I'm going to be changing. It's a lot of things. It's going to be everything, man. Y'all gonna watch me build this car from the ground up. Now, I had an oil leak, which is common with these cars. Crankshaft, pulley seal, easy to fix. Bought that car. Owner didn't tell me. On the interstate, hour home. I'm smelling oil coming through the vents and everything. Anyway, that's a whole nother video. What I'm going to be doing today is changing my LCD screen. Y'all gonna watch me do it. Never did it before, but I guarantee you, we're gonna do it and we're gonna make it fast and easy and straight to the point. Now, taser, cluster, bezel. I'm gonna be doing all that. I'm gonna be showing y'all easy way. I'm the easy man, the easy channel, the less talking, but it's just now that I'm letting y'all know that what I'm gonna be doing with this car, y'all can follow me. If y'all building y'all cars, we're gonna do it together, and I'm gonna do all the research, and I'm just gonna sum it up real small for y'all so y'all can get straight to the point, fix it, and do what y'all need to do with y'all RT. Now, what I did have got already, I have purchased a taser. I have purchased a cluster. Currently, my LCD screen had just arrived, so I'm gonna be making videos today. Now I'm just getting this all started. Now this is I want to say this is a Scat Pack cluster. Now remind you, on these clusters, if you have a 2012 and down, I'm gonna say 20 from 2010 to 12, when you upgrading your cluster, you want to make sure you have a 15 through 17 cluster to work properly. I bought this cluster. Everything works. The gas needle will not read properly. I'm going to show y'all that. I'm going to hook this up. I'm going to show y'all what to do and which ones to buy. Let's take a look at the car. So y'all can see where I have started from. Now, this is the RT. All right. Y'all let me know if these are factory or replica wheels. I'm not sure. Y'all let me know in the comments. I got my clothes and stuff in there. I do security, private security, but she's pretty clean. Now, what I have added so far was this carbon fiber. And that carbon fiber. That sun is shining. From Amazon. I want to say this is like $23. This is like $15. I'll put these links in the description. And I have also installed the pages. I'm gonna make a video on all that quick and fast and in a hurry, and how you use the OK button on this SRT. In fact, I've got the Eco Sport. All right, SRT shows the Dodge track pages or whatever, G-force, gauge. All right, all this stuff, it works. All right, I'm gonna get to that. Showing y'all the car. How we gonna start this journey? Now under the hood. She's beautiful. I got a cold air intake coming. I'm gonna do an install on that. Y'all gonna be with me every step of the way. Just like and subscribe, man. Y'all gonna follow. Headlights, I put those on there. I'm doing a star headliner, everything. Y'all just come with me, man. Come with me on this journey. All right. So it's got the wicker bill on there. It was very, very oxidized. I just went and got a can of clear spray paint and I just cleared it, you know. It's got dirt on it, but it came out pretty good. I got a video on that too. I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos, man. A lot of how to do it. Very simple. I'm a simple guy. I don't like all the bull crap. I'm gonna cut out all that stuff where y'all can get it done real fast and hurry. So check me out on the next video, which will be within a couple minutes. Just like and subscribe and follow, man. And let's take this journey.